please refer to Section 7 of the construction guide. Now it's time to attach the header part B and the footer part C to your inner bed frame. Grab the header part B and place it at one end of the bed frame. Using a clamp, clamp the header to the bed frame, making sure the header is flush with the bed frame underneath and on the sides as well. You may use wood glue between the header and the bed frame, but it is not a must. Measure and mark 5 to 6 equally spaced pencil marks on the frame strut, starting at both ends of the strut. Use 1 1/4 inch long wood screws, and drive the screws into the frame strut where you place the pencil marks. Remove the wood clamps. Now install the footer, part C, using the same procedure used to attach the header. The bed frame is now ready to install the two side rails, parts D.